What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Um, before we start, before I start reviewing, because you're just watching, before I start reviewing these trainers, these sneakers, this latest pickup, I would like to humbly request everyone to please like, comment, share, subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot more than you think. Yeah, man, please like, comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, so I can bring you more content if you like, comment, share, subscribe. If not, then I can't bring you content, people. Come on, this is the least we can do. So this pair, this colorway, this model, whatever you want to call it, I didn't get initially. So I didn't get them initially because I thought, I'm not sure. And then when you don't buy them and then you can't find them and then you really want them, yeah, that happened. So, as we all know, black box means limited edition or exclusive, whatever you want to call it. And I really like this box because it's one of those slide out boxes, so it's quite different. So we've got a Nike Air Max 95, black dark grey flat zinc, UK 10 as always. What's funny to me is the way Nike do these colors, black, dark grey, flat zinc. These have 1,000 colors on them, mate. But yeah, let's get into it. You gotta open pull them out with the little drawer. This drawer actually comes all the way out, so we can just throw that over there. You can already see the colors jumping through the tissue. Bam. I should have just done it like that. So these are the size 20 Air Max 95s. Wow. So the reason they are called 20 is because they have, 20 different trainers, sneakers, all rolled into one. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're just going to count. So we're going to count 20 if we can. We're going to see. So the pink, 1, midsole, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Where's the other 4? What would you say? 17, 18, the tick 19, should we say 20 on insoles? I don't even know, mate. I'm not gonna lie, I did try to find the size graphic that they did. I couldn't find it. Or it wouldn't work for me for some reason. So yeah, because I wanted to actually name all of the 20 trainers that they actually put together to make this one trainer sneaker. If you're listening from America, don't beat me up. So yeah, we can go through the trainers. Obviously I'll have to do left and right because they are different. So from the bottom, we've got the pink and black sole, midsole, sole. Then the midsole is like a elephant print, pink air bubbles, as you can see. Then we've got a black leather. That is a serious black leather there. That is a premium black leather. It's quite thick as well, if you can see it. Yep, and the same leather wrapped around the toe box and on the top. That's a serious leather. Then we've got a more That's an elephant type leather as well. They're all elephant type leathers. And then we've got another one in a different brown. We've got the cement print, which is famous on Jordans, but we've got them here on the Air Max 95. We'll do back tab. We've got like a speckled back tab with a pink. I really like that shade of pink. Nike Air. Pink mesh, goldish Nike Tick. This Nike Tick seems off, and these are legit, so that's weird. That's very weird. Because I have the receipt for these and everything, so no one can say these are fake. We've got the Volt type, so that's like the classic Air Max. That's the neon, sorry, the neon logo. Don't fight me if I'm wrong. We've got grey lace loops, and then underneath we've got like a, checkered black and grey. We've also got a different type of cement print, elephant print, where normally on different Air Maxes this will be, the reflective. And then on this side, obviously, we've still got pink mesh. Then we've got a orangey leather, similar to like the Ray Guns. Red leather. This should have been on the Ray Guns. These two leathers. These are actually kind of nice leathers, kind of smooth. Then we've got a purple one, and then we've got we've got two different purples, or one pink and one purple, whatever you want to call them. I don't want to upset people by getting the colors wrong. The purples are the same. Well, no, they're slightly different. So another color there, kind of turquoise, kind of aqua, and like a neon green on the other pair. Even the insoles are different. So this one is Nike Air with a purple Nike Air on it, and then this one's the orange Nike Air insole with white Nike on it. So yeah, very interesting trainers. I like them a lot because they're kind of loud. Loud trainers is me. Loud sneakers is me. I like the materials used. Just one thing is, like, a lot of people may not know how to maybe wear these. What's funny is I actually bought a tracksuit many months ago, and they go exactly with this. So I'll just quickly show the tracksuit top so everyone gets kind of an idea what I'm going to wear this with, pair this with. Yes, so it's like a Nike PSG pullover, quarter zip, retro vibes with pink. So I think that goes really well. It looks quite good. Maybe I'll take some pictures wearing it and post them, you never know. So I think that looks quite good. It will go together. Slightly different pinks, but it should work. But that was funny because I really liked these trainers, so I really wanted to get these. And then I remembered I had that tracksuit that I have never worn, so I'll definitely be wearing them with those. I like them a lot. Premium materials, this may not be to everyone's taste, but it is what it is. I like them, I don't like them, but obviously I like the trainers like on this side a lot, so I had to buy them. So yeah, give me a comment on if you like them. Make sure you leave a comment if you like them. If you don't like them, tell me what could have been done different. I'd say they could have just kept them one colorway here. They could have just done this all on here to make them less loud, but maybe they're going for loud. Maybe they wanted to do loud, they wanted to do 20 for 20, whatever they want to call it. But yeah, it's actually my first ever collaboration, my first ever kind of exclusive trainer Nike wise, exclusive as in, limited numbers, resells for a lot, and I really like them. So yeah, leave a comment below if you like them as well. If you don't, you can also tell me why. As always, there will be an on foot video to follow, and make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And always, as always, take care, people.